guys strip things, and one of the guys already got warmed up his belt, so they're actually working on it right now. See how they're doing.
Proud. He's like, yeah, leave it. That's right. Who else got that?
What's up with that rat nest? What the fuck?
I'm glad it didn't fucking go out. We're going up fucking.
So how's it feel to get your cherry pop?
Just like that. Just like that.
Tito blows us out.
You got him.
If I drive this, I'll be gone.
So then tell him let you drive it.
That's a great one. ¿Qué pasó, Tito?
It's the belt that beat you.
No, you didn't beat me.
I did beat
I have it on camera?
No.
You didn't beat me?
Play that bitch.
You didn't beat me? It was by the tip I beat you.
The tip of your dick.
¿Están mirando a un hombre trabajar?
Yeah.
Hombrecito.
Pues está, he's listo, dude.
I just hear.
Ready? Who goes first?
Monica!
Alright, so I don't know what I'm gonna show you guys, but we are out here in Sunset. We actually left our camera that goes mounted on the side of the cage back at camp. Forgot that we were going to Vendors Row. We ended up going on a dune ride, but we are at Sunset right now and it's pretty dead. Weekend before Thanksgiving and it's pretty dead, guys, so we're enjoying it. It's nice and lonely. Everything's to ourselves. We did some drag racing already. We, like I said, we are at Sunset, and eventually we're gonna go get some food right now because we are hungry. So I don't know what I'm gonna show you guys because everybody's playing their music and I don't want to get copyrighted, but here we are, guys.
I took it off to put the other one.
That's probably better than the one that I had because that was crystallized.
To record every time a Canam breaks on a trip.
Fuck, my fucking first time. I was just talking shit.
for you might be
Hey, no. I didn't talk shit. I just said to record how many times a Canam breaks down. I'm not talking shit. I don't want that bad juju.
I was just talking shit about fucking breaking bells, man.
It's part of the game.
Part of the fun.
And what did I say yesterday? It comes in threes.
Fucking first place is rescuing second place. On the block.
Hey, wait, I think that's where you lost, so your belt was no good.
Rerun it. Rerun.
Go buy one.
I'm not gonna buy one. Gave my nuts. Whoever owes me a belt.
That could have been us up there.
They were all
But
with
instead,
us.
we're over here.
Could have been us.
Could have been us.
They were all with us.
Of them. I was like, oh.
Yeah, I saw a
what
big
I
ass
thought
group
about,
behind
man.
us.
I was like, first
I told Sam.
Yeah, I was like, that's a
people
big ass
behind us
group.
now.
Even a rail.
Yeah.
We even had a rail with us.
This one? Alright.
You probably need an extension.
Right there. I guess no an extension.
Yeah, I don't carry extensions.
It didn't blow.
No, he crystallized it probably.
What's cracking?
And they threw him into limp mode.
Look at the teeth on it. They're all chewed up. Yeah, the teeth of the belt are all chewed up.
Baby Jesus, why? Why me?
Hey, you gotta put that shit where Alicia sees it.
What, that?
Yeah.
The video?
It's on YouTube for everybody to see.
That's good right there. Send it to me. Or tag me in there or something.
Sauce.
I'll follow you on Instagram. And I'll repost that shit too. Look at that. Brand new. Is it really?
Brand used. What the bell's brand new? No, it ain't. I'm like, you just said
I'm
it
talking
ain't.
about the Canam is brand new.
Oh, stay away.
After all these fucking runs.
Yeah, that shit's crystallized.
Let me see it.
How do you know it's crystallized?
Because of the shininess.
What's it? And it's the OEM one? Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Fuck, fulfill it.
Yeah, that
Fill
shit's
it.
hot as fuck.
Right there.
You
Bland.
can see it.
Oh shit. How do you crystallize?
Los dientitos.
You burn them.
Yeah, from racing. We raced so many times.
Mira acá.
Mira.
No, I'm saying like, how does that happen?
No manches.
Leave it off? Is it? It's so it's due because the
cover?
Yeah, leave the cover off.
I never fucking know that shit.
Cool. Oh, fuck.
Man, this is still your original belt.
Yeah, it's from when I first bought it.
Can you scotch it and save it?
Oh, maybe now you could beat them.
Not with the OEM one. You would need the G-Boost belt.
So I would have had my
stronger.
my world's strongest one.
back in there.
Tito has
I
it.
think they want to leave it off.
Put it in his back seat.
Oh yeah, throw that shit in the back. That's not gonna fall off, right?
No, pero va a estar así.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna tell you.